I would have hated to have come in here with you.
What's your phone?
Yep. And let's see if I can go a little bit further into this hole now.
What's the back?
The excursion would not have been fun in here.